Hi guys, welcome back to Chile 95 channel. Finally nga mangbu je nga video sera su khajila na nga khazi gyaga nile ni this busy cha ani nga raben tukcha nas chambaro na pura chisia dichini video sera masu but I'm back. Ani nga video lugi chira thanda nga khawai la na nga salon la yu salon la nga dela part time lega shigi ya ni thongmo ga ji salon re ani ni rang solo tengu khande yor le ya ani whatever the nga nails su yu facial chu yu ani khasa waxing ani hair I help her and stuff like that. So yeah guys, ani kyo dela Toronto digi na ani dela ni ji thongmo ga ji salon la le chi ani tengu salon pengin jore pay up your prices will pay up your aya and this in rang so tigi ni shiko ani guys dire dinima park lawn ni sulira and this in lidi gopsu dela plaza ro jo raba damre ani dirda Ruberto Salon Laista Ruberto Karlana Digore and Salon Bulele na Pemba singing jewelry. This yure, Tantang artistic nails so de bade much so. See what other day? Takalo chidir.
No, because I'm fully packed. I don't have time for this.
More, nearly tomorrow. Salon in the Simus Wore, Della eyelash extension, Shina Yore, ani they have tentative messages. Most of choose Dumbale, Kajilana, Yangchin Salon Tapodi by near Rani Tomore, Mogaji, Tada Simus in the Smochilo in the sun, the Chala de Zumbudu. These are really good stuff. Saloma Shindodo. Ooh, Salomania Pushash. Indeed, the color lana de the Zuburatangire, the lighting coy of the dead. Ninja the color Karigona, the Zuburatangire, the la and this is their number and everything. The Layure Nea guys Salon the push. Hi guys, welcome back to Chile 95 channel with my beautiful friend Sepadoma. And more as it almost spend the street and another couple of leading was a friend's was a friend's best friend story. Ani Momora Casa having Tasovale, Moraga sister, the Dilla, Calere, Salon la, and it also meeting the Salon pay up your Itobicola yore, also de la lane, they do everything like lashes, nails, microblading, Tastilu Sueni, Chineta Street Sueni, Chinta, everything. Salon di Kari offers you the Super del Shivore, Ranso de la Perochin, Sepachig Laia. Sepangatese, Mamma. Yeah, yes. Yes, no, Larish.
Yes and no.
Mole the endless there.
Yes and no.
Mole the endless there. Well, it's not a sipping kimels, because every time I got a mother, young children are sipping kin this time a Karikuji Keramas, more than endless there. Back in the Dirang Rails, luggage and the open Chishashia. You all are speaking mailers that this time Sivika must on the lema. Next time you months is a kin level. You go with Sivia, Pepper Sibilta, ye go with Dirang de Tarimojita solid. Mojital in wrong color than you do. What a cow you're at this. She has white hair. Oh, this is the show. Can't you lie? Let's go there.
Touch the lay.
Me. Ani more
I'm the sister of
Moji sister Ray and the Salon Moraji Reta Ra. Ani ya partnership in Mora open shigure, Ani Ransoro the Yanshin woman washing Toronto Tangi and Mozolo Yamin washing it, and also Yalagire. Even more shape among the stage color, Yamania, but did you also shade on your Mambuyo, but did you also more shade and Garashi died in Mobutagire?
I'm coming back soon, Angela is coming back. Hey, everybody's buddies, be ready in the Doda. Anyways, the hairstylist in the low chu chawore, the association chin low 2000 mango chawor, the low mango chawora. By any time you marry Chijir, the timing Tawara, Tasona, so Kamasona, so for a timing, Chiji, the Kalako dear. pinja tsala ina bu timing yo mara nganzo une laura
Reo.
tsala building kamanga building de tsala ina bu time rago mara nganzo chije la di re ta problem pura pesha wala juk laga chi ra juk shina bu yala ni share da ni da na
ये घर को लगा है ये मैं घर को लगा है चिकी लगा मिशन अब ने किबु चिन शेयर में दुलस खाजर ना शीशा में या चिया कोई दे मारे दिल खाली रा दी पोंगबुलु सा चिया है दिल खाली रे टेंपरेचर शी छोड़ो sama kali ira
funeral lang wala
funeral la coffin la
oh.
ende khonchum budraya ani digala funeral di chikoda de zoparal pesha duda ani nimangi khawara chik thons ende tishe that's true right
nge girang thangbu shiora canada la kharila na insurance ya the life insurance in bu kharil le na bu nge ge advice la gora ga de me kam la ga chuge as a psw la ga chuge ma bu thonyu incident down ma bu thonyu me de jora insurance nyo de la yapu chini information yapu find out ma chini ra last la ra khonzo at the end of patient chi bu ra yo mare ni ngozo mi chik sha paper chik sha mare de mi ma bu la thungo re canadian bu chu ra ni nga di la go som sa yapu chini insurance la yapu chini khari health ki ra changes condition khari na bi changes khari na updated chi khajana na updated chi de la yapu du ra kajina na health updated chidila khonso ge ta back working chigira chadila rang la proof yora nge ge updated chi insurance la di call record chi pura record chi ni second nga di khare laila na thanda nge ge thomo mention chi so ta chi ta color yapudula ne unila na ta color multi color du raya as a professional talking let's just go talking we cannot guarantee 100% we will give the perfect result. Because behind the page, you don't know what person is went through, how many color has been applied. But as a professional, as a hairstylist, we will do our best, Mara. Ni pebagila na ngazo gaddi na rakta color na khari na life khari na ngazo perfect so tumare. The nganzo gelen re perfect soyagi try chiyagi at least 80 to 90% nganzo gelen re ra but my result I'm hoping it's going to be 80 to 90%. I'm not giving 100% ra nganzo before and after tengora but roots la gatina ra ta as a hairstylist roots la gatina nganzo virgin hair growth chugore and gatina ra la pure light la level 8 and 7 and it gatina ra at the ends la chikajina na yapu recommend your kacha virgin ra color yong mare virgin de gatina lifting level yapu lifting chigire ni gatina last apply chugore root la ra ni bottom base the kajana there's a lot of color old color everything build up so you always apply the bottom last first bottom first and then roots later the roots is virgin so it's easy to catch and that's all for now and then here in our salon the partnership join this been since last year nganyama ni monya bo nge thomo best friend re lo chonga almost lo nishu ocean ra lo nishu ocean ge nge thomo gi salon re ni nga ti tapanga pangarang partnership chega
business women chasar da kuji ani mola support chale ro si toronto le
ni kuji nga de as a professional talking ni ge just shige nga mi mambu le new konjo ge ra oh ta di mi dola sorry le ge ra nge professional way talking chi ra ya ngajo guarantee yo mare perfect same tiagi par la khari thongwa dang actually real life la completely different ra ngerang thambu shewo khojo par la ra par chik jagire that's it khojo ge dichigi ra khojo la khase porsi story lagi mare mi ngajo mi saying the end lagi mare khajala la ra ya khojo ge ra khojo hairstylist la formula bu different yore company brand bu different use chigor ni we cannot as a nganjo eyes ki ra visualize chini bu nganjo perfect formula length gu mare cause every color color line formula different yore ra ni it's very hard to make it mine I will do my best and I will show you before and now and one more thing I'm very upset about
pema ko balai di mo ke je yin la sinji mi nge ji channel la don ya khachela na mora pema ko bare mora ni ma 2004 la
2001
Oh, mo 2001 la le ra nga 2004 la le dini ni sab model lang decor ya did you so I think you were first pema ko right
yeah ngazo first ngazo family mangshe mo di ngazo
tangshi do re khaja da
tangshi second kumu ji
ani ngazo delhi 2004 mo 2001 2 3 4 lo ni sum se le do did you so nga khosuni laptop tu jo re dini ni ngo thong mo yin do re ra yin be yin do re thanda tak thong mo re lo mang bu chasar ta chi su ta pema ko ba del mo pe le ra a gyawlo mo chingi di tang jo be ni
pepa ni tang pepa re la ni tang go reng so ni gu chik dira chowu re la ni khonzo lifestyle ya pu cha gi improve chia gi di chini tang go re pepa nanglo la jing de na chö yo mare nga zo une na ra samlo tang na ra shin chi re ra shin gi ra lapti ke ni ra root dam da dojo re ni please nga zo request gi pema ko pa is Tibetan ra ni andi laya nga gai mera nga youtuber andi taw ta me nga thila bunge lai nga sam pe khigi du lai ra nga de Canada le ni gora pe mo ko pa ming yapu yore nga jo pe mo ko pa pepa mare lagi me lai ra khachana na nga jo khari na main roots nga jo pepa ni re ta mare nga jo pepa la language ra me da yore Kari language yore mang ku yore
zo kongbo example nga kongbo ra ni kongbo de na ra pema ko ba de le yore las khonso
sala yore map la ta
ani dum khari khos lage di kim la ri yore las kim kongbo da pema ko ba para la ri yore las ra pema ko ba khonso gi singdo do tab sabji do tab chin ra ni ri za ni kongbo lungbal li re las ra ni kongbo lungbal chong ki re las ra ni kongbo du so ye du dang ide ya ta khala de do da khari la ta tho do ya inde par ko so exchange du du special do chi ye samara in the exchange here the pema ko ba ni sai de do thongwa yo ma ko da pema ko lunga dam dam dishini kongbo da pema ko ba ji tholo chuba ko da
similar yo similar khari difference on I think a headband cause in headband ngazo di garge do khare di extension do color di do garge do pema ko ba ni kongbo la di ko shamu king do so that's the difference but so similar if you really found out but I'm being honest to you guys this is our future guys lobjong pura yore mi pura lobjong jangore ni ta ngajo own people are jing choi mindura pik chima choi mindura ya come on everybody is went to the out of country foreigner and they don't see it but still but pemokopa is pepa let's stop that and then continue with the life mara pemokopa deal with your lifestyle and everything try to change it and everything kajina and they la chinju la raya okay if you're looking for followers so then I don't mind but still pepa nanglo la dukja sugido why tada jami ko jo khande expensive do khande dichigido nganjo endo bo proof endi tangore nanglo la jingdine choyo mare dilagine please nge request ge suina yi nga ming bu teme interest me nga ana like ngarang schedule from busy re duchi gora yo mare but still pemakopa is Tibetan please okay get that fact and the truth and then Anna has a good reputation in Canada people know as a Sonayandola so please do not please Pemakopa is Tibetan
ta khosa yang shi
bye I'm busy
ani ngi mola ke chi dishe do la meta khajla ta this jamsa re ra but morang iran ta taring las nga khiranga ji di YouTube la donia ke chi di shenyi video las khasa ne las mo ya ai taring ozo tuera ni ozo taring chigo lai ba ni moye tanda tisringa o di korla la bare di morang iran laswa de dirang re ani ngata advice khari te mera ya ta di rangso ha go re pema ko febarang degi re mi shemba gi febar mare landa ben ma cha inde yo mare so ya guys su mo su i febar mare landa ben jawar bushi gi febar re la go re dilela sta khari mindu ani ani chito me febar inare menare but febar re ko sa ani they are my friends ani ni man nga hoye ko pema ko ni re la ni ya pema ko ni re la ni ya
mention pema ko pa ina ma zo do ina bra ma zo pema ko pa re la ni zo difference
oh khatu ina bene ko difference chi mare ko pema ko pa in de lai mare pepa lo sa dang zo por nyam do du tak pa ya ai na nga to di pema ko ba ji di inde kor la ra pepa mare pepa re la di ra recently ha ko ta de la ede ro se ro cha sa ya ding ya na zo do inde ke je ko shigo ma ra sa yang che we never even spoke about that no to ha go ko me ya
mi su ina ga chi de na ga ko da ni shu re la
Oh, me put I push go really payment paper. So yeah, the bottom line is the things I check it chisola mi mangbo pachonita pema ko ba mi mangbo dele yudi kurso ozo de peba mi mangbo yudi ta ninja peba rek dara ya koron differentiate do chidi da instead of that be happy haha hulan dere zanita ozo peba toksa chi laira only chin dere and there please come support Yang Chen Anna Hauya and Moraji Instagram Regina Angela Entertainment Re Angela Music Entertainment Re and Moranda Vagina Lega 24/7 Gupuri Ninja Pemasi Hurpure Mora and please come support her Taringa the Hasta Niji Tongmani Yamena Rata Niji Tongma Canada Cosini and Shemba busy these days and Cosini turning to finally after a long time so this Haha who and day and also Takaji process the Tongora Kandechaki to Tamanyalang Moji Tatongora Tong Kandechaki Dulani. Yeah, guys, don't mind anything that we said. The also politics told you go mera, but morang it is chickeni to soon as this year and obviously a more tomo in the no like Maradishinitalo. Guys, this is her hair. The more jita dilara nije ta dilara the tumun bangzar boy. Not the chipper. Yimani chinira monzoni ta color type go more the color you give me put on say. You see why one reason wasn't your best friend Shaila. Chakalarang tang Root Lataka Udamo. Root Lataka Yana Karagang put a seutang share by Yanshen.
I don't know. We're gonna make it one even color.
How come the light is so do you mix it? I have to go like this or what?
So yeah, the light. We're gonna make it one. Try to make it one even color. Yeah, Anna, I need a white hair color.
Okay, now I can see. The more I think you should cut your hair a little bit too. What is about Cholodosh?
Washing style.
Oh, tell you.
Washing style.
The main the more is going on a taka would do the study.
Come on, Buddhi Mata, lack of vitamins. Yeah, lack of vitamins.
Maria, at least you will save the color, right?
No, it's okay. Because I don't want to cut it. It's okay. I want to style it. Due to the styling. So we have to cut recording of styling. I want to give her. But it's anytime I want to recommend people, anytime you want to take out your debt, at least cut this inches.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Because some people like, trim this one. No, it doesn't work. Sorry. Unfortunately to say color build up, let's always stay in the end.
Oh, really?
Color ends and build up in the growth every inches, a little bit inches, like little bit this much every month or two. It depends on the hair growth on the person, right?
Yeah.
So we always say, oh, when you come to salon, we say, can you trim it this much? Like I was like, you're paying money and trimming this much.
Yeah.
Why don't you just trim the dead and let the hair grow more?
Yeah. That did any also told there. Pinning your salon, guys, come to Anna Salon. You mean the Puratin saying around sola that more color chair ready to do. I hope it turns out good. Yeah.
Lifting the wall de la easy tiger. As in pre lighting and color light
already in here. Oh, better.
This one roots is okay. She will get it this much. But this one, it will be hard. Little bit of redness is there. So I have to leave it a little bit longer. But let's see how that's good. But so far, I did all. I mean, my goal is to make it evenly.
Yeah.
But not perfectly. But try my best to make it evenly.
Yeah. And they do the manicure, pedicure chain. And go to Sadida. And there is the law. Alright, guys. See you in a bit. I nails to the more nailing to best because I'm more did the dimara. Oh, you changed it already? Because I'm more in Jujish cow or which if you do. I was like, I want to do that. Okay, yeah, Jelly shop. Sepa is almost done. The Marta, Sepa the Marta. Not done, but tell it what you said. The news that this chick must is the young chingy. Didn't I like by the left side, the right side, this would do on the young chingy. Cuticle almost are you cute. 차게. 저기도.
Kirikal puchi de laga den tser. Nail technician morang re ra yan jo ngala ata lagi thu kunju re ta. Nyangar tila nail technician rda. Nail chishingi atila.
치신게.
Nila sa ni nail technician khandi kabri jago ra hora. Jo ata puro ke chishi.
Where's my coffee?
Oh yeah, coffee. Lepa coffee.
Okay guys, see you after my nails are done.
There is a different, the style and everything is very different. Maybe I'm gonna see it on the side. Get a much in there. All this. Okay, I'm gone now. Okay, Lepa. You finish the thing. Base coat, top coats, P. Top coats, P. Top coats. Lepa.
What top coat?
Top coats. This one just powder, blend it nicely. Okay.
Yeah, okay, it's guys, simuso dirde yanching simuning juice dirde. Nice. 세바가지 내 takalor. Takalor this chada 통기다.
Root lagadina first shagir kachana already light your yeah, beginning la mention chisa.
Mola tharing VIP treatment re. Mosani khao dai nai sapa.
No, didn't do it.
Tharing khao dai re camping.
Yeah.
Camping to it, camping. Camping konzo la dir RV le ra camping ka jirang konzo di truck doshta.
It's like it's a rectangle, you know the rectangle thing.
Box road.
Yeah, box.
Onde konzo ji konzo koran solo yore ani khadu dodor ngala invite chisra ya mangbu but doera mas this summer chicken join da.
One time.
Yanching also do.
Only us, okay? Only us, Lepa. I don't want any Anthony family to be
Oh,
there.
that's gonna be hard then.
Kasi naman just us.
Just
Yeah.
one day.
고무적 버치고 야. 그 nga yanching dumake tang. 이 트링 벤게 땅 먼저 먼저 또 키우친 칼라스 사 니마직 로 되오라.
Isn't it we're doing that like that on August?
What? No, I'm not.
Okay. My motor died, so I'm gonna try to
Where's the thing?
the battery on shed.
Similar the powder.
스미야 디.
Powder be similar.
하래 차서 있어.
Did.
오 되다.
Can you pull it out?
Okay, I have to do this. Yeah. Just leave it. 마셔다. 어디 두고.
Udin the luyo. There should be a hole. That side, that one.
아래 야치다. 다른 야치다. 다른 야치다. Okay, that's it.
That's the one.
Okay, so I kind of know 가지치 올라냐. 마우디를 줘야라.
Yeah, I'm gonna
we do
record
that.
you do that thing. I'm not. So Maudi.
Are you recording me? 나를 record
Yeah.
나 동거 맞은 두고.
Yeah, I'm not. Oh my gosh, Tila, do it good, huh? We cannot make a mistake.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's gonna.
이 동거 맞이야.
Yeah. Yeah.
할매.
곧.
할매.
Oi!
It's
Came
okay,
out.
I'll redo it.
Okay. Rishida. Tila's gonna fix. Start. It's working. Oh, it's working. Boom, boom. There, start. Shut up. No, you say don't do it. She did it. Yay.
Okay, now I have to be careful, okay?
it up? Oh, just have to pull it.
Yeah.
Use it. Call Tila when you have problem.
Yeah. Are you happy? See, I'm good right now, right? 이 마이 나가 치시고 맞다. 그 빙상.
The cap down tongue, remember? Done. Tila's car's done.
야, 결혼하지, 그치? Can you push higher? Okay. Stop. Yeah. 슉체시, 야, you should. 어머, 신날라. 야, 제발, take care.
Alright, bye.
똑같아 올라. Oh, yeah, my jacket and my stuff.
Expensive jacket.
Let's get my bag.
Yeah, your jacket.
Yeah, Sepa, take care, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Bye. I'll get my coffee. Bye. Drive safely.